Good morning to a very cold Teesdale. This is our new series. The last one, So You Want to Be a Nurseryman, or You Say You Want to Run a Nursery, was quite popular. So we've brought it back under a new format. Shorter films, more precise, so that you can find out what you need to know quite quickly. We missed out last year. Well, I'm getting older and editing the things was getting on my tits a bit. But in short films it'll be a lot easier. Anyway, take a look at these. That is a spade. Most gardeners will have a spade. This, if you've never seen one of these before, this is a turfing iron. Now, the spade can at a push do the turfing iron's job. The turfing iron will never do the spade's job. It's impossible. But what it is good at is removing turf. And here's a nice little trick that John's going to show you about repairing a grass path. You'll like this. Oh, you'll also meet our new addition, our new apprentice. I'll say no more about that.
Today I'm going to show you how to repair the edge of a lawn. What you can probably see here is that there's absolutely no grass on this edge, and it's just easily very collapsible. So anybody walking on that around the nursery, it'll just collapse the whole of this edge. It's very soft and collapsible. This is all died back due to one of the plants which has grown big and come over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick repair on this and show the best way to do it. Now what I need is a bit of board. Now I need to measure roughly what I'm going to cut out, and fortunately I've got some marks on here which I can use. I'm going to use this bit of, well, bird poo basically, if I can get rid of the dog. I'm going to put that right on the edge where it is there. I'm going to go at the half moon, and I'm going to cut out around the turf. And I'm just going to go up to where that white mark is. I'm going to remove this. Then what I'm going to do is cut along this way. Just make sure that this is deep enough. It's fairly tough with a lot of people walking across it over the year. And now comes the magic bit. I'm now going to take a turfing iron. I'm going to carefully cut through this turf. With the help of peps here. Right. Now then, what we need to carefully do is take this out. And then what I'm actually going to do is turn it around. Use some of that to backfill here for the moment. And then I will put the plank back on top and firm this turf back into place. I'll make sure that's absolutely straight. which it is there. And now then all I need is a little bit of seed there. If you've got a little bit of seed there for me, Malcolm. Put it all on. Always give a bit for the birds, they'll take a lot of it. Plant back on top. Firm that down. Within a few weeks, this grass seed should start to come through. Come on you, away. And now you've got a nice clean straight edge, and it's a repair. And the edge stays solid now and doesn't collapse away when everybody walks across it.
You know, people are going to remember this for the fucking dog.
Yeah, I know. He'll get more hits for the dog than anything else.
It's not right. Wait, bugger off.
There we go. Come on, Peps, stop it.